to the Roxanne Channel. My name's Bailey and my name's Lucy. Today we're making slime. You'll need glitter glue, clear glue, magical liquid and bowls. First step, you need your bowls. Then you'll need your glue to put in the bowls. Okay, now you want to put some of your Elmer's magical liquid, but don't do too much. Now we will do the glitter glue. You can choose any color you want. I'm choosing blue and silver. I'm gonna do first. I'll do my blue first. I'm gonna squeeze it in. You can have as much as you want, but we have to half it. You have to half it if you have another friend. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that much blue. That's a lot. 3, 2. This is what it will turn up looking at. Now it's time to stir. Whoa. I think mine is coming together. Guys, look at this. Now it's time to play with our slime. Whoa. Oh my god. You can play with it and it's so gooey. Thanks for watching our Roxanne channel. We need to